Hello, band community. I feel really excited and honored to have this opportunity to come and share a sacred evening with you. Kirtan. Kirtan has been a huge part of my life. Growing up in ashrams was a fun thing to do and a beautiful way of celebrating life and celebrating our relationship to divinity through our voice, through musical instruments, and chanting these mantras that have such a potency. Kirtan is known as one of the principal angas of bhakti, angas or a principal limb of bhakti yoga. And as we use our own voice and we are vibrating our whole being, there is just such a deep transformation that takes place, and it takes us to a more transcendental realm that has that potency to take us deeper into the realms of transcendence. So I really hope that you can make it August 5th, and I will be sharing some stories and a little bit about the philosophy behind this Kirtan world. Many blessings. I look forward to being with you.